We must demonstrate to the nation that external forces will not be allowed to violate our territory. The prompt actions in response to developments in eastern Ladakh was a testament of the Indian Air Force's combat readiness. As our challenges continue to rise, so does our strength and resolve to ensure the best possible application of air power. When I look at the security scenario that we face today, I am acutely conscious that I have assumed command at a crucial time. We must demonstrate to the nation that external forces will not be allowed to violate our territory. I pledge to do all I can to provide you with clear directions, good leadership, and the best of resources that I can muster. On behalf of all air warriors, I also pay homage to our fallen braves who have made the supreme sacrifice in the line of duty. Today is an occasion to renew our solemn pledge for preserving the Indian Air Force's rich heritage and passing it on to future generations. Dear air warriors, the year gone by has been quite challenging, yet extremely rewarding. The prompt actions in response to developments in eastern Ladakh was a testament of the Indian Air Force's combat readiness. Our efforts in completing all COVID-related tasks was also a major achievement in support of the national effort. Your accomplishments have been impressive, and you have helped achieve significant progress in many areas. I want to thank each of you and your families for the sacrifices that you have made and continue to make while serving in this glorious service. I will continue to rely on your skills, courage, determination, and hard work in the years ahead. Remember that it is our sacred duty to protect the nation's sovereignty and integrity at any cost, and you are to do what it takes to ensure that we do not let the nation down. The security environment in our region and beyond has been impacted by a complex interplay of geopolitical forces. Moreover, the advent of new domains over and above the traditional domains of land, sea, and air have resulted in a paradigm shift in the way military operations will be conducted. In sync with the changing nature of warfighting, ongoing capability enhancement in the Indian Air Force is aimed at providing the optimum means for employing air power and achieving desired effects across domains, swiftly and decisively.